in our live broadcast below. Okay, thank you everyone. And now I will introduce you this turquoise necklace. And its main stone is turquoise nuggets. This is free shape and from 6 to 10 millimeter. This turquoise nuggets and this necklace it is about 16-inch. And if you want to learn more about this product, and you can connect with our customer service agent to get the catalog or information about this product. And our company has its own turquoise mines, so we specialize in the production of turquoise and other gem jewelry. And we also have non-tooth silver gem jewelry. And if you like this turquoise necklace, and you can click on App Store to look at it. And you can click on item and we will introduce you. Now I try it. Okay, everyone, please look at this turquoise necklace, and it's made by these turquoise nuggets, and it is from 6 to 10 millimeter. This is blue turquoise nuggets. And now I show you this gemstone necklace, and it is a two-strand necklace and can bend by this calcite, and its main stone is this orange and red spiny oyster beads. This spiny oyster in this necklace has 3 different forms, and it has this spiny oyster nuggets, but different free shape piece, and also has this round piece, and has 2 different color in 2 sides, and one side is orange and another side is white, and this piece is very distinctive. And we also have this square spiny oyster piece, and it is about 4 to 6 millimeter. About this square piece. Welcome to this new front. Thank you for coming to our live broadcast, and I'm so excited to introduce you this necklace. And this is calcite round piece, and it is about 10 millimeter round piece. And we also have this spiny oyster roundel piece, and it is about 4 millimeter. And these two strands of necklace can band by this calcite um, round piece. This spiny oyster roundel piece it is about 6 mm. And if you like this style of this necklace, you can connect with us for more information about this product. And now I will try it to show you this necklace. and it is about 16 to 18 inch about this necklace. Okay, please look at this gemstone necklace, and its main stone is spiny oyster and calcite. And there are just two different forms in this spiny oyster. We have round beads and shaped nuggets, and also has the square beads. And all of our products are made in natural stone. If you wear it, and the color of the stone will become very bright. And we often use polishing technology to make this stone become very smooth, and we have a close cooperation with many different factories to make this stone. And if you like this product, and pay attention to us for more information about it. Welcome. And we also have this turquoise necklace. It is about 16 inch, and its main stone is turquoise chips and Spanish roundel beads, and the turquoise nugget in the center of this necklace. These turquoise chips and high, it is free shape, and it size from 4 to 6 mm. And this orange spaniel the roundel piece, it is about 6 mm. And we also have this turquoise nugget in the center of this necklace. And I show it in this model. And please look at this turquoise necklace. This is turquoise chips from 4 to 6 mm. And this orange sunny oyster roundel piece, and it is about 6 mm. And this turquoise nugget. If you like this kind of necklace, and please pay attention to us for more information about this necklace. And we also have some other different products. And we have so many different sizes of gemstone beads. And we also have these turquoise beads, and made by turquoise chips and orange spiny oyster roundel beads. This turquoise chips and is in free shape, about 5 to 8 millimeter. And this orange spiny oyster roundel beads, it is about 4 millimeter. And if like our production of turquoise, and please talk with our customer service agent to get some information about this turquoise product. And you can also click our app store to click this item, and we will introduce this production to you. And maybe if you have any favorite product, and please feel free to comment in our live broadcast below, so that you can get some more detailed information about our company's product. And now I will try this turquoise necklace and show you this necklace. And everyone, please look at this turquoise necklace. And its main stone is turquoise chips, and with this orange spiny oyster around their beads. And these chips, and it is free shape in this necklace. And this orange spiny oyster around their beads, it has 4 millimeter. And this necklace, it is about 16 inch.